Hi, Spring Garden Academy families. My name is Ms. Veda. I'm an assistant teacher with the kindergarten and pre-K here at Spring Garden Academy. And this is What's in the Bag April, where we're going to check out what is in your child's take-home learning bag for the month of April. And this month we are learning all about reduce, reusing, and recycling. So some of the questions that we're going to be talking about this month as we're talking about recycling is, what do we know about recycling? What do people throw away? How can people throw away less? And how does throwing away things impact our communities and our earth? So without further ado, let's take a look into what materials will be inside your child's take-home bag this month. As always, you're going to find very helpful lesson plans here. There'll be a lesson plan for every week, and many of the explanations for the different materials and activities that are provided in your child's bag will be listed here. So without further ado, let's get into some of the activity pages for week 1. We have our SEL activity for the week, which is called Using Your Big Voice. We have a paper bag princess discussion. Paper bag princess will be our reading book for that week, for week 1. And we also have Rolling to Recycle, which is a board game that you can play at home. Now, in terms of our manipulatives for week 1, one of the things that we have are some recycling stickers. Now, what you're going to want to do with these are put them on a bin or something else around the house to start to practice good recycling habits and to also just kind of get our own little mini recycling bin going. Our other manipulatives for this week are some pieces of yarn. Now these are going to be used in a paper plate activity, which you'll read more about in your lesson plan. You're going to make a star. And you'll see we have some nice blue and green colors for Earth. All right, so moving on into week 2, our SEL activity for this week is going to involve this little mini journal. Now what your child can do with this is they can start to write in their own journal, and it doesn't have to be words, it can be drawings, anything to express how they're feeling. It's just nice to have a little record of this. What they can also do with their little mini journal is there's going to be a writing activity where we write a story about recycling, and they have a word bank here that they can use. There are a lot of things for your kids to cut out this week. We have some what is different, some pattern recognition, and we also have patterning cards. So you can cut these out and make your own patterns with them. And then finally for week 2, we have Radio Man. And we also have the Radio Man discussion guide. Now this story is really cool because not only does it have a story in English and some lovely illustrations, but it also tells the story in Spanish as well. All right, so moving on into week 3, our SEL for this week will be an electronic resource called At Home Brain Breaks and Active Calming. Our story for this week is called The Adventures of Gary and Harry, so you have a lovely little discussion guide here. This is going to be a really another heavy cutting week. So we have recycling alphabet here for your child to check out. We also have a count the trees activity, so they can cut out the trees here and then glue them onto the paper over here, glue, tape, whatever you want to use. And finally, to help with that recycling practice that we started the first week with our recycling stickers, we have a sort the recycling activity. Another really fun aspect of week 3 is that there's a really awesome movement activity included. We have beans inside of an Easter egg, so if you have some leftover Easter eggs from the past holiday, you can show your child how to repurpose and reuse them and turn them into a shaker. All right, finally moving into week 4, we have for our SEL a feelings map. So what your child can do is draw on this how they're feeling, where in their body they feel like they're feeling it. And it also has some really awesome descriptive prompts that you can go through with them. One of the stories that we'll be reading this week is The Lorax. So in The Lorax, there are truffalo trees. So we'll be providing construction paper for your child to make their own truffalo tree to protect. Another story that we'll be reading this week is called Peter's Chair. There's a discussion guide here, and you'll also get a copy of the book. Finally, as the weather is getting nicer after that long winter, you might be wanting to go outside. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, maybe it's rainy, but you can always go on an alphabet hike with your child. So we have an alphabet hike activity. We have an Earth Day dice and an Earth Day graphing activity, and these dice can also be used in different activities throughout the month. And we have some sorting. So this kind of ties in with the pattern idea, but there's some sorting this week as well. Finally, this week we have a song for our children to sing. It's kind of an Earth Day song if you want to celebrate it. It's called Earth is in Our Hands, and it's to the same tune as He has the whole world in His hands. So you might know it, but if you don't, it goes, we have the whole world in our hands. And you can figure out the rest from there. We have some stickers for your child to celebrate Earth Day with. And with that, that concludes What's in the Bag April. I hope you have a lovely Earth Month. Continue to reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is Miss Veda for Spring Garden Academy. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or ask your teacher. Bye.